Hi everyone, my name is Steve. I'm the Microsoft Student Partner at the University of Pennsylvania, and today I'm going to show you um, some of the cool tricks that Microsoft has built into their latest operating system, Windows 7. And I'm doing this running Cam Studio, which is a freeware program that allows you to capture your screen and your voice, and I'm running it on Windows 7 Ultimate on the latest netbook from Asus, the Seashell EPC. So one of the main things of Windows 7 is its improved functionality and ease of use. And to begin with, I'm going to basically show you some of the cool um, features they built into the upgraded right-click button, which is basically just means that if you're right-clicking anywhere on your Windows 7 desktop, on any of the icons down here, on your taskbar, on the clock, on this button, you have greater menu and more accessibility to the programs that we need and the things that we do the most. So to start off, I'm going to show you a right click on the desktop. We see that we have two new added buttons on this drop down menu. We have screen resolution and gadgets. Now, I think it's awesome to have screen resolution right on this menu, just because I'm the kind of guy that's always hooking up my laptop to external LCDs or TVs, and I want to be able to customize those resolutions very easily, and this allows me to do that. The second thing on here is gadgets, which is completely new to Windows 7. We all remember that we had the sidebar on Windows Vista, and these icons will look familiar to you. But people weren't too happy with the sidebar because they felt it got in the way, taking up too much screen space, or it slowed down the computer. And now with gadgets, neither of those things happen. So, for example, if I just want a clock at the top of my computer, I'm just going to bring it up here, and it'll lock itself there. And it'll show me over here that how freezing it is in my home state of New York. So I think that's really cool. There's more gadgets online that Microsoft has opened up to developers to basically create a gadget for almost anything. So I mean, whatever you need on your desktop, you can have, and uh, it's a pretty cool feature. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to show these quick launch buttons. These are actually pinned to the taskbar, meaning that even if they're not open, they're still down here. So this is my Windows Explorer. It's not actually open right now, but it's here. And if I do a right click on any of these buttons, it'll show me the most frequented folders in Windows Explorer. Of course, number one being my desktop folder. So I open up that desktop folder and it'll show me this. If I click a right click on the Internet Explorer button, we'll see it'll give me my most frequented sites. Of course, we have Bing on there, we have Facebook, and it'll also show me sites I've pinned here, meaning that these sites will always be here. So, I mean, if you remember in Windows Vista, if you wanted to have a site like Bing.com on your desktop, you used to have to create a shortcut icon on your desktop, and that created a lot of clutter. And now you can just have the site right here. So I'll always have MSN.com right here, so I can easily access it. If I do that on an Office program, however, you see that I have my most recent documents, which is pretty cool, being that normally to look at your most recent documents, you would have to open up Excel and click on the ribbon drop down button. So now, if I wanted to, I can easily pin Yankees roster here, so this Yankees roster will always be here in case I need it. And again, like I said, this is pretty standard right-click drop-down menu, except we have this new set as desktop background, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to do that. And um, that's about it. I want to thank you for watching this video, and feel free to check out Microsoft.com /student to learn more.